We are at a very beautiful waterfall.
A small one.
No, it's a very big one.
Just take a small one.
No, it's a big one. Check. It's a beautiful waterfall. Just came here to admire.
You see how people are struggling to just pass on these rocks? That's why we need development in this country.
Definitely.
In the new dawn, we are going to do it. The new dawn.
You've seen the beautiful flow.
Actually, tourism is one of the key components that will bring development to this country.
So this is the bridge that was constructed, as you can see.
These are the leftovers of PF. Since 2017, this bridge has been like this. Unfortunately, it has not been worked on. I don't know where the funds went to.
So this is one of the projects that has been abandoned. So we need this project to be completed in the next 2 to 3 months.
At least timely delivery.
Definitely.
Quality, we need quality.
Quality delivery, and the other thing is that we need this place to be so beautiful. What's the bridge in Sonda? We are done.
That's it for the day.
That's it for the day. From me and my beautiful wife, we say that's my beautiful wife.
All those names.
All those names. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that like up button, hit up that bell, so that next time we upload a new video, you get it as quickly as possible.
Thank you.
We love you.
Mwah.
Mwah.